Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make a shape, something like this, and they're taking the rectangle tool and making a rectangle. They do go to object and convert it to a curve. They wanted to know how to make it even from top to bottom. Well, one way we can do it, I'm going to do it two different ways. Let's make a copy of this and put it up here. We're going to take this and use the envelope tool. We're going to select well, first of all, I'm going to get rid of the center nodes and the center nodes on all the walls. I'm going to right click and it's already a curve. So if I click on this, to make this equal, you can't move it with your hand. What you have to do is click on it, get the arrow, and use your up arrow key to whatever your nudge factor is. My nudge factor is set on 5 inches. So what you can do now is take, with the shape tool, well, let's go back to there we go. Go back to the envelope tool so we get that handle. Click on that arrow, that handle, and just move it up that same amount. So you get that shape. The other way to do it, that I kind of like doing, is to take this as already a square or a curve. Let's select them and right click and turn them into a curve. And then let's take this arrow and let's move it up and let's move this one down. And then what you can do is just take this same item, hit the plus key on the keyboard, and then hold down your control button to whatever thickness you want. The best way to do it would be to take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and then you have that shape. To me, I think you have a lot more control, and you can, to me, it's faster. You could have got this shape with the envelope tool, but you would have to, adjust your nudge factor down and then click. So basically you're doing 4 clicks. And, if your nudge factor isn't very much, this way you can kind of see what you're doing a little better. I think it's a little quicker. Anyway, I hope that helped that young man, and thank you for watching.